Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it's from BirdDogs. Alright guys, so in the package I got 4 items. So I got a hat. This is perfect because it's white. It's going to get dirty easily, but I do like this. I'm very appreciative of neon colors. Super awesome. My friends got me this for my birthday gift, so I'm extremely thankful. My friends who bought me this, thank you guys so much. Love you guys. You mean the world to me. But yeah, hat. This looks like a medium from right here. There's a big M. Medium soft pocket t-shirt. And looks like a navy, but it's interesting because this is a little bit brighter. It's not as dark as, I guess, most traditional navy. Straight from the bag, seems very soft, and I figure after a couple washes, this will be super soft. And then we have these two. This is a medium, and this is also a medium. I believe one of these is the Bay Ciders and the other is the Steph Curry Vindaloos. Don't know which is which, but they look super cool. These are actually really interesting. First off, I love the color. As you can see inside there's a liner. This kind of reminds me of that 80s retro kind of jazzy look. So these will be cool, super awesome, and they feel very lightweight. Yep, and then again, you can see the liner on the inside. And then this one is another medium. Nice little drawstring right here. One thing I always do with anything that has strings on it, I always tie a knot in the end. That way when I make a knot, I pull tight, that it doesn't get loose should the drawstring get pulled, as you can see in this demonstration right here. But these are really cool. They also have a separate liner inside, and these are white. Curious if you can wear these as swim shorts. Probably sure you can. But yeah, first experience with BirdDogs. Unboxing was pretty cool. Love the box. As you can see inside, there are all these phrases and testimonies from customers. So super cool. Again, thank you to my friends who bought this for me for my birthday present. This is a really great present. Super functional, and these also have pockets, which are really excellent too. Super excited to wear these. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.